In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a video onto a Google form. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So either create a new question or go to an existing question you want to add the video for. And then you should notice over here on the right panel, there's something that says add video. Looks like a little YouTube icon. Go ahead and select that. Go ahead and search on YouTube or paste in the URL. Please note that to embed videos on Google Form, I believe they have to come from YouTube here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.